We recently released ChatGPT Agent. It can research, write code, and take action online. Let me show you. I'll start by enabling Agent from the toolbar. You can also connect to any admin-approved connector to pull internal data, but today we'll just use the web. There's even a library of starter prompts to get going fast, but for this demo, let's imagine we're launching a fitness e-commerce brand. We'll ask ChatGPT Agent to search for e-commerce and health reports, collect key trends and articles in a spreadsheet, and sign up for a newsletter. We'll also ask it to analyze e-commerce growth and build charts in new tabs, create a business launch plan with formulas in another tab, and put it all into a research report with visuals. I'll ask it for all of this work in under 10 minutes, even though Agent can work for 30 plus minutes if needed. Right away, you can see that ChatGPT Agent spins up a VM where it'll write code, research, interact with websites, and build documents. You can see it's immediately running keyword searches and analyzing articles, and if I wanted to see its chain of thought, I can switch to Activity View at any time. I can also take over the browser or stop ChatGPT Agent. These are the safeguards that keep me in control. We've trained ChatGPT Agent to not just use tools like search, image generation, deep research, and operator, but to decide when to use each one. Here, it's running deep research, scanning articles, and collecting citations. If I see it going off track, I can drop in new instructions and interrupt it. Next, it spins up a terminal to write Python code. I'm going to click into desktop view to observe it, and within command line, Agent is now building a spreadsheet and the visualizations we asked for. What's amazing about Agent is that it can adapt and change the next step based on what it finds. Agent has understood that it needs to interact with a sign-up page and is now using Operator to click and navigate in the browser. Normally, ChatGPT Agent will prompt us to take control, but I'm going to manually take over here to put in my personal details. I'll click Take Over, add in my details, and then hand control back for ChatGPT Agent to complete its tasks. The first thing you'll notice is that there's a spreadsheet here that Agent has built. It includes all the relevant articles we need to read, the historic and projected growth rate for e-commerce with a chart, and a customizable business plan calculator. You can even see a deep research style research report with an analysis of e-commerce growth rates, success drivers for new businesses, and future projections, along with some additional considerations we should keep in mind. With ChatGPT Agent, you can delegate tasks that could have taken hours or days and then come back and review the work, making more time and space for the work that really matters to you.